I used to smile with my mouth closed because I didn't want to show my teeth. And now I don't mind showing them. I've always had bad teeth. My mother had bad teeth, and I guess I inherited hers. I can remember when I was little going to the dentist and just hating to go to the dentist. I mean, just get nauseated, sick. I just have always had bad teeth. Lost many teeth through the years and had bridges put in that did not last because my teeth just were real brittle. I had a tooth come out, I guess it's been 2 years ago, and went to Dr. Bean's office to see what he could do for me. He suggested I get the implants, and it's been the best thing that's ever happened to me. I wish I could have got both sets at the same time, but I couldn't afford it. But they made, getting at least one set done affordable, and hopefully in another year or so I'll be able to do my bottoms. I used to equate going to the dentist to the movie The Marathon Man. Have you ever seen that with Dustin Hoffman, where they torture him by drilling his teeth? And so I hated going because I always thought of that and was just always scared, but I never get that vibe at Dr. Bean's. You feel comfortable, and it's a very good experience. The one that I went to when I was young, of course that was many years ago, he wasn't a very good dentist and just made me real uneasy and just always hated going. So it was a chore to make myself go. Of course I did, because my teeth were, bad. It was always a battle to try to have good teeth where I could eat. So it's nice to have these. I don't have any problems with them at all, and they've just really changed my life. And now my smile's not bad. If I had somebody that needed to come see the dentist for issues like I was having, or they were missing teeth or whatever, I'd definitely send them to Dr. Bean, because he's, in my book, the best.